Hello, beautiful people. How are you guys doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. I do have a special guest today who is actually holding my microphone. Scarlett Boo is here. Say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
How are you?
Yeah.
Okay, so we are going to start this video by actually saying thank you to Raynisa and Steve. Guys, oh my goodness. They actually sent me a package from the US. I'm so happy. Sometimes when I receive package from my subscribers, I question myself, like, what did I do to deserve something like this? Because you guys just watching... Because you guys, sagdi lang, okay na. Because you guys just watching my videos and interacting with me and, you know, just commenting, it really helps me a lot already. So you guys don't really need to do this, but again, thank you so much. So I do have here this really cute package. We are going to open this one. I got this one yesterday, and shout out to her daughter as well, Kiaza, for arranging the delivery. Thank you so much. I was really trying to contain myself not to open this one yesterday. Okay, so are you ready, Scarlett? I think she's very excited. I've already told her what's inside. Oh my gosh. It says to meljeansolon from Raynisa and Steve. They are from Ohio, USA. Oh my gosh, Scarlett, what is that? We do have a lot of chocolates. We have here Snickers. Scarlett is eyeing on it already. Okay, do you want to hold that one? Next, we have here Milky Way. This is one of my favorite chocolate. I think the reason why they sent me some chocolate, that's because Tom and I are such a fan of chocolate. We are chocolate lovers. And as you guys know, if you guys have been watching Tom and Meljean YouTube channel, then you know we always fight when it comes to chocolate. So thank you. We also have here Hershey's. Ta-da! Wow, this is actually so much. Another one. Wow, this is... Ooh, this looks fancy. How do you read it? I don't know how you read it, but this is how it is. Thank you so much. We have two of those, I believe. Wow. Okay, we have one last over here. We have baby diapers. What's this? Is it a diaper? Again, thank you so much to Raynisa and Steve. You guys are the best. Wait. I actually opened a diaper because I thought it's really like diaper, but it's not. This is very thoughtful of you guys. They got me this long lighter. If you guys know, I do have a problem with my cooktop, right? It doesn't light up anymore. I had to light a candle so that it will work. Finally, I have it. Look at that. That's so epic. They actually sent me two. You guys are the best. Thank you. Now we are back with the province house rebuild update. Actually, today all of the materials that I got from Cebu Home Builders has been delivered. So again, I had to rent a truck, same truck that I have been renting all this time. So I'm gonna show you what are the materials that I got for the province house. We are going to start here. As you guys can see, I have laid down all of the 4 doors. The main door, the exit door, and the 2 doors for the rooms have actually different design. This one in particular, this is going to be for the main door and for the exit door. And the reason for that is because this one is more sturdy. This is actually pretty heavy. It is actually recommendable to choose something very sturdy for the main door and the exit. And this one over here is going to be for the 2 bedrooms that I have here in the house. It is quite pricey to actually get these, but you know, I just decided to get them so that all will be done already. We don't need to like pay labor for it, because if I'm going to DIY or like do it yourself, if you guys can remember last time, I actually had to ask my builder to make me a door, and it took some time, you know, but this one, it's all done already, though I had to pay a bit more, but that's okay. This is not going to be the final look of it, by the way, because we are going to put wood stain, or what they call as varnish. So I got 12 bottles of varnish, and I decided to choose walnut color so that the color will be wood and yeah, very natural. So I want it like that because as much as possible, I still want to retain the simpleness of the province house. I know last time, guys, I kept on saying that this area where I'm standing has been leveled out, and unfortunately my cousin, which is Jelvin, that was holding the camera, he was not able to really show how did it look. So okay, my sister is doing the camera right now. We are gonna show you how does the floor area looks right now. So that's how it looks. If you guys can see over here, this is the main area, so it's now level. We are going to put the same exact tiles as this one. So yeah, I hope that's already clear that, you know, everything here is now a level. All right, so we're gonna go over here. This one, you guys can see I have here 20 sacks of cement. Yes, I still need to get a few cement because we are now doing the countertop for the kitchen, and then the other side of the house has not been really rendered. All right, now we're gonna move on over here. If you guys can see, I do have here the same exact tiles as the one that we have currently. The only difference was the price. So last time I got this one for 119 per piece. This is 60 by 60, by the way, but right now it costs 160 pesos. So there is around 40 pesos difference, and that's a lot already if you guys can think about it. But I don't really have a choice because, you know, we have to get the same exact thing. Over here in this box, this is the 12 bottles of varnish that we are going to stain for the 4 doors that I have. And then I also got little knickknacks for the house as well. This one is actually the bidet, or what Tom calls it, a bum gun. So that's how it looks. I just decided to get the plastic one. I wanted to get the stainless one, but it's quite pricey for me, so I just went for this, and it looks alright. It's white, so that's fine. And then I also have here a few items. These are gonna be for the painting. So I have here 3 rollers. That's how it looks. I also got the faucet. So this is how the faucet looks. This is gonna be for the kitchen sink. This one's quite pricey because I really went with the good quality one. So this is made of stainless, and Kuya said this is a really good one. So yeah, I just said okay, just go for it. I like this one as well because the head is movable or stretchable. I don't know what you guys call this one. It's called paint roller tray. All right, there you go. So I got this one as well. So aside from these tiles that I got for that area and for the second bedroom, I also got tiles for the countertop and for the splashback. I don't know, but it is over here, guys. So I'm just gonna show you how does it look. Okay, I'm gonna be careful because I think one of the tile actually got broken. Unfortunately, I think 4 tiles got broken, but the builder said it's okay because we can make use of it on the sides. If you guys can remember, we have this much that we had to fill in on the sides of the house. So this one is gonna be actually for the backsplash. So this is how the backsplash looks. I really like the color combination. It's white, it's brownish, and yeah, I just love the color. So I went for this. This one is actually 30 by 60. And yeah, I think this one will be very good. It's quite heavy. All right, I'm not gonna be able to show you guys the tiles for the countertop itself because it's down here and it's quite heavy for me to move it. You guys can see this box, but I'm not gonna show you what's inside anymore. But this is actually my new toilet. I decided to get a new toilet bowl because the one that I have has been destroyed, and yeah, it's not usable anymore. So I got this one. This comes with a tank as well, water tank. In this area, I know it's all over the place, please bear with me. Okay, we do have here some sandpaper. Of course, we have to use that for the skim coating, I think. And then I have here a lot of buckets. These buckets are actually for the paint that we will be using for the house. Of course, I think you guys will know what's going to be the color of the house. It's going to be white. So I have a white color for the paint. At the same time, I got primer as well. So I think I got 3 buckets of primer. And then I have added 2 buckets of paint colored white because if you guys remember, I still have 3 buckets left from the previous house. Last but not least, you guys will be able to see I have here the new sink. It's gonna be a bit bigger than the one I had last time, and I want it like that. At the same time, it has this little area over here. That's where you can put the plates that you want to dry or stuff like that. Okay, right now I'm gonna show you guys it's the current update. There is not much update, and that's because it's only Tuesday today. If you guys can remember, we had a very long weekend because of Holy Week. So if we guys will try to look up, you guys will see that they have already finished all of the ceiling in the living area, here in the kitchen area, and it has been extended here on the other side as well. That is going to the toilet. So that is how it looks. I'm quite happy for that update we have. So that's very nice. And then here in our kitchen area, guys, so you guys will see that the builder has actually started doing the countertop. So it was quite funny because I think this was the 80 height of the countertop that he was supposed to do, and when I was trying to do it, oh my gosh, that's very low. And if Tom will like do the dishes, which he does, actually he's gonna go like this, and it's not good, right? Because he's a bit tall. So I decided to change it. I think some of you guys have actually commented about it as well last time, that it's gonna be very short. So right now we have extended it a bit higher. So if you guys can see, we have a small line over here, that dark line. That's gonna be where the tiles will be. So I think that's 90. I think that's the standard for countertops. So that's okay for my size. I think the one that I got before is really high and I didn't quite like it. But yeah, this is how it looks now. As you guys can see, we have put the sink over there already. So it starts from there and then it goes here and then here. It is actually an L shape, and it's gonna end over here. So right where I'm standing, this is where we are going to put the refrigerator. So yeah, I think it's okay. I like it now that I have an L-shaped kind of countertop. This was suggested by Tom because I have a lot of space to work on whenever I cook. You guys know how messy I cook. Actually, there's like, you know, stuff all over the place. So this one is really nice. You have the freedom to cook and put some stuff away. So right now, I'm gonna take you guys inside, actually in the toilet area. I think I have not really shown you guys the bathroom area, and some of you have commented that I don't have bathroom. Yes, I do. It's over here, okay? So it's just really quite messy over here. But we do have 2 windows so that we have a free ventilation. I don't need to put on ventilation anymore. So we have 1, 2. That's going to be sliding window as well, I believe. Toilet bowl, as you guys can see, it's wrecked. And then I have here my sink as well. We have to try to make sure and save this one. I have here my shower and such. But yeah, this is how my bathroom looks like. The size is just okay for me. At the same time, we have here a lot of shelves where we can put a lot of stuff as well. All right, so now we are going to my bedroom. This is what they are currently working on right now, my uncle and my brother-in-law. So if you guys will try to look up, they have already put the metal paring for the ceiling. So I think they should be able to put the marine plywood today as well, because that's almost done. Another update here in my bedroom as well is actually the air condition area. So if you guys can take a look over here, the builder already fitted my air condition and all they have to do is to install it over there. So that's good as well. So far, everything's looking good. I already have a door. The window will be installed this Friday. So I'm really looking forward for that. I will be here once it will be installed because I want to make sure that they will do it good because the sliding window is really quite pricey. I had to close my eyes and say yes to him because it's a bit much. Well, that is pretty much it for the latest update that we have here in the province house. We are almost there. I think we are 60%, 70% almost done. Once they install the door and once we have the window as well, I think we can already start moving in here because the whole house will be already closed. And anyway, guys, that is it for my update for today. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. Again, thank you guys all so much for the love and support. I truly appreciate you all watching my videos. Without you, I wouldn't be able to rebuild my house. Thank you guys, and as always, I will see you on the next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye.